My name is Kostas. I'm a designer. The Elemental series is the first series of objects I created. I named the project and the collection Elemental after the elemental paintings of Bob Rauschenberg. And of course, he was talking about all this non-hierarchical approach when it comes into making art. He famously said that a pair of socks can serve as well as some textile, a wooden frame, and some nails if you want to create some art. The valuable, the precious, the man-made, the natural-made, the raw and the processed. I try to mix all these things to systematize this process and serve it. I know my works look very complicated. It's not like that I'm trying to achieve a certain level of complexity, but I think complexity is already there and I just can't ignore it. We're surrounded by things that have already been made, so things have already a substance. A rock in the mountain has been formulated for millions of years. I can't just go there and use that material, rejecting what it is already. The world by itself is so complex and so simple at the same time, but I think simplicity is not the opposite of complexity in a way. I think simplicity is the ultimate complexity. My father was a maker. He was a guy that he would fix everything that breaks. And so this also became kind of my thing. I would unscrew and disassemble all my toys by the age of 6. And of course I would fail to put them back together and I would destroy them. But this is how I was trying to understand how everything works. It's like you get access to something that you shouldn't be looking. You know, it has this effect that you're looking through the pinhole of a door. I'm not a professional carpenter or a professional metal worker or whatever. I just pretend that I know how to do all these things in a way. It's not necessarily some knowledge that I have about this, but is the confidence of the lack of knowledge, basically. Because knowledge sometimes it's like an exoskeleton that doesn't allow you to move so much. We know at the studio how to do certain things, but at the same time, we're trying to go against that because there's a lot that can happen through taking another way than the main street.